This is my question 4. So for question 4A, they're asking for the names of the swimmers and also the lanes they're swimming in. So here I created an empty list for the swimmers. I defined the function, then I applied a loop structure to list out the different lanes, and then I applied a return statement, and as a result, this is the output of part 4A of all of the lanes and all of the corresponding swimmers. So for part B, it's essentially the same thing as part A. The code is pretty much similar, but I did change the terms since they're asking for the timings this time around. And as a result, here are the timings as well. The timings here are unsorted, and 4C and 4D focuses on the times being sorted to whatever order you want. So for 4C here is a bit different, the code. I still have the loop structure here and I still define the function, but since this question is asking for the fastest timing, I decided to include the reverse function as well to get the fastest time, as you can see over here. I also included the print function so that we can have this sentence as our output. So as you can see here, the fastest timing is 33 seconds out of all of the 5 swimmers. So 4D is a modified version of the 4C code, and 4D is asking for the timings to be sorted in ascending order. So as you can see here, I incorporated the if, elif, and else statement aside from everything else that I have already done. And this allows us to deal with multiple expressions in an easy way that is practical and doesn't take up too much of our time. So here are the timings in ascending order. Okay, so now we're doing the menu. So here's my coding for all the menu. I also applied the if, elif, and else statement as we saw in the previous part. So now that I start the menu, let's key in 1. So let's enter the names of all of the swimmers. Okay. All right, that's done. So now let's add the timing. Okay, here's the timing for the first swimmer, second swimmer, third swimmer, fourth swimmer, and fifth swimmer. Okay, so now let's print. So this is just the times here that's sorted, and here's the fastest time as well, 33 seconds. So here are the times as well, now from slowest to faster, fastest to slowest. And now that we're done with this, let us just quit menu, and there, end of the program. So that